The roots of Clan Walkinshaw can be traced back to Renfrewshire, Scotland. The clan's story begins with Douglas, a judge in the earldom of Lennox, who made a significant land exchange in 1235. He traded his lands of Knock, which included the Abbey of Paisley, for the Walkinshaw lands. This marked the beginning of the Walkinshaw family's association with these lands. One of the notable roles held by the Walkinshaws was that of hereditary foresters to the High Stewards of Scotland in the barony of Renfrew. This duty was an essential part of their identity, and it is reflected in their coat of arms, which symbolizes their foresting office. As with many Scottish clans, the Walkinshaws had cadet branches that branched out over time. Notable among them were the Walkinshaws of Burrow Field and the Walkinshaws of Scotston, each contributing to the family's legacy in their own way. The Walkinshaw name found its way into Scottish legend through its association with Prince Charles Edward Stuart, famously known as Bonnie Prince Charlie. Clementina Walkinshaw, a member of the clan, played a pivotal role in this story. She was the younger daughter of a diplomat who had met the exiled James VIII, often referred to as the Old Pretender, in Rome. Clementina's life took a dramatic turn when she met Bonnie Prince Charlie at Bannockburn House near Stirling in January 1746. Her charm and sophistication captivated the prince, leading to a passionate relationship between them. Although they never married, their union resulted in the birth of a daughter named Charlotte on October 27, 1753. Their relationship was tumultuous, and they eventually parted ways, never to be reconciled. However, Charlotte eventually gained recognition from her father. In 1784, Prince Charles declared her legitimate, bestowed upon her the title of Duchess of Albany, and honoured her with the Order of the Thistle, one of Scotland's most prestigious orders. While Charlotte thrived in her newfound status as a royal duchess, her mother, Clementina, experienced a tragic turn of events. During her flight from Paris during the French Revolution, Clementina lost everything, and ended up in poverty in Switzerland. Her journey from being the mistress of a prince to her dire circumstances in later life is a poignant chapter in the Walkinshaw family's history.